Hi, hi, Shobna. Hi, Rini.
Hi, Akka. I guess you are in a
Hi, hi, Sugan, Sugan.
very good background.
Yeah, this is the place from where I will be unboxing. I just reached here. Enjoy the scenery, guys. How is it?
Sorry.
Oh, wow. Hey, no issues, no issues. Hey, look at this fine tone and the color, yeah.
That's very good.
Okay, so
You
this
made
is...
something special there.
Okay. Okay, shall we? I mean, all of you are ready with your parcels?
Yes.
Shall we all start unboxing?
Yes, Akka.
Okay, let's start, girls. Ah, wow! Look at the colors.
Wow, my colors.
Rini, how's the surprise?
Yeah. I am stuck.
Ooh, Shobna, waiting to see yours.
I guess mine is more fall color.
Yeah, you've been like into orange. Okay, you've opened it. I'll also open. Let's
opening
go
it.
through the each.
Yeah,
Let's
he has
just check,
given some
whatever yarns that they're having.
handwritten
Wow,
notes.
look at this. Yarns, silk yarns from SilkIndian. Thank you, SilkIndian, for sponsoring this yarn for our event. Okay, so this SilkIndian sari silk yarn. Can I see this? Both of you.
There
I
are
think
two
Sugan
varieties,
and,
Akka. Sari silk yarn.
Okay.
So you are asking about. I think these are the two varieties.
Wow. Show me the multicolor. That is hand spun. I think mine is written hand spun.
My color.
Okay, this is hand spun.
Hey, yours is
Mine
more
is also-
purple. Mine is more. I think Sugan, yours is pink oriented. Mine is more of multicolor. Mine is literally multicolor. It has
Yes.
every color in
Mine
it.
is also multicolor.
Mine too, Akka.
Blue, red.
I guess we can
Everybody is
select the
multicolor.
colors from here.
Everybody is multicolor, but what I'm saying is,
She's having some lacy effect, Akka. The frills.
yeah,
other two.
that is because it's hand spun. It is like there is a difference in the thickness, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is multicolor, and but you people are having like more of pink. I think Sugan has more of blue. Shobna has.
That is peacock color, Ka.
What
Shobana
is it?
Kas.
Peacock. Yeah. And what about yours, Rini?
Mine is multicolor. We can select all the colors from here.
Exactly. Mine is also multicolor.
Green,
Very beautiful.
pink. I guess
Yeah.
pale, light green is missing. All are our Kanjipuram silk saree colors.
Yeah. Beautiful bright colors. And look at this. This is machine spun silk yarn
And mine is
from SilkIndian.
yellow. Not yellow.
Thank you, SilkIndia.
I think
I
really
like this color.
yeah, beautiful colors. Bright. No, this is like very bright.
This is sari.
Yeah, it looks like saree, Akka.
Shobna is speaking. What is it?
This is sari silk yarn. Machine spin.
Machine spun.
Machine spun.
Both are standard
Okay.
saree colors. Is it, Akka?
Standard. Yeah. Bright
Mine is
color. And
totally
what about
different.
this? What is this? This is called Alina silk yarn.
Yeah, Alina. Yeah. Mine is like a half cream color. Super.
Hey, look at this,
Mine
Shubha.
is purple and my favorite
Shobhan.
color.
Wow.
Purple come pink.
Backo.
Wow, pink,
Your
pink,
favorite color.
pink. Hey, yeah. Hey, but look at this, na? Did you recognize this color?
Yeah. It's somewhat similar like a jute. Your favorite color.
Yeah. My favorite tan jute color. Yay.
Wow.
Akka,
This has 250 yards. Okay.
Akka, wait. The screen got stuck. Da. Akka, wait. Okay. Continue, Akka.
Ready?
The screen got
Okay,
stuck.
okay. No issues. Now, okay.
Now, okay.
Rowing. Yeah.
Wait. I'll show you. All of you just show rowing. It's a Shobna's favorite. I think same color.
Same color. Everybody has
You all
Same
got
color.
same color.
super nice.
Hey, yeah, Hank, it's so beautiful. Wow. It's like blue, green, and light blue. Huh?
It looks
Beautiful
like
color combinations.
entering into a sea.
Yeah, beautiful blue, green colors. Okay. And what about the other one? Lace weight. This is so tiny.
This is same, I think, brown.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
everybody got same color.
And this is like
All four of them.
this
This is very
gives
soft.
like such a
Looks like
metallic look. No, this has a metallic
Yeah.
shine.
looks
Yeah,
like
metallic shine.
golden zari.
It looks like a pure silk jerry, see.
Yeah. And it's so, I don't know. It feels so different. No, it doesn't feel like cotton. It has some unique texture to it. It's
No.
the texture is very unique.
It doesn't look like a cotton, it's a pure silk. How we will be weaving jerry? It looks
Looking at my background, you people are checking out. See?
wow.
The color looks like the same pine colors.
Yeah, this
You are
this
really
matches
super.
with the background. Very true. That's why I was thinking about.
I guess
And
you
these
are the
fine.
only person enjoying lockdown.
See, look at this. I don't know.
Himachal, yeah. There, all these
Really?
trees only.
We are seeing
See, now
buildings and
this-
vehicles. Oh, the
Actually, the
smallest
camera is
pine
not
cone.
catching.
We
We'll
use
build
this
a-
for tooth packing and all. These grass, pine leaves.
The cone, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Leaves.